In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Docs offline. Now, I want to assume you already know how to find your way to the Google Docs platform, but in case you don't, this is the link to use, docs.google.com, or from Chrome, you can just click on this grid icon here. Okay, I think you can see it. Then scroll down. This is Google Docs. You click on this and then it will still take you to the platform. But for me, I have it open up already. Now, what you want to do is to click on this hamburger menu here by the top left. Now, click on settings, just scroll down and click here. As you can see, we have options here. There is display recent template on home screen. There's offline. Now, as you can see currently, for me, is already on. For you, it may not be on. It may be looking something like this. So as you can see, I've toggled it off here. It's already off. So what you want to do in case yours is off is just to toggle this button. And now it's, as you can see, setting up offline. Now once you're done, click on OK. And please, one thing to note is if you want to do this, you have to open up your documents while you're still online first. So you click on, you may open an existing document if you want, or you just click and create a new document. So let me do this, create a new document. The document is open and ready. So I could just type, this is me trying out. So this is it, right? And this is when I'm online. So to test this, let me just go off. I'm going to off my internet and still type and see. So let's try this again. So as you can see, I was still able to type even while I was offline. And what you want to do, because usually what happens is that when you come online, what you typed while you were offline will sync with your document. So I'll just click on this and come back online. Let me on back my internet. Now when you're online, what you want to do next is to refresh to see. Of course it will be saved, but just while you're testing, if you want to be sure that what you've done works, as you can see, I've refreshed and this still appears here. So what would have happened is that if it had not saved, it wouldn't have appeared. I would have lost this because it was typed while I was offline. But since the offline mode was on, it was able to save, and now it has synced and you can see it across any device you open your account. That is just how simple and straightforward it is. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, do well to subscribe, like, and share as well. Thank you.